1970. 1970 was an amazing year. Boeing 747 jumbo jet had made its first commercial trip to London. The Soviet moon rover had become the first remote-controlled robot to travel on the moon's surface. All things set up to soar high. It is little wonder that destiny chose 1970 for Children's Academy to set sail to give the word education a new meaning. What began as a tiny seed has today branched out into a mighty tree that has defined several great careers, churned out thousands of successful professionals, and created better human beings. Yet, the zeal and the zest remain the same. Today we can't help be overwhelmed as we look to turn the clock back and relive the journey. Relive each moment that molded the character of the Academy. The many highs and the trivial lows, the difficult paths and the easy roads. Today we tread them all once again.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. A warm welcome to this revered site, the House of Commons, London. Today we have gathered here to honor over 60 eminent Indian institutions with the certification of Great Place to Study. And here I present our next illustrious institution, Children's Academy Group of Schools. May I call upon Mr. Ronit Bhatt, Group Communications Head, Children's Academy Group of Schools, to accept this award. Congratulations!
Thank you for this distinguished award. It is indeed an honor to be conferred upon with a certification that is a symbol of exemplary standards. And this certification comes at the rightful moment in our Golden Jubilee year.
Oh, this is your Golden Jubilee year. Congratulations on completing half a century. How's the feeling?
Do you remember how excited you were at your 5th birthday? Well, we are 10 times as excited.
You should be. We have been informed that Children's Academy Group of Schools has been ranked Pan-India as an institute that provides value for one's money. How do you manage to achieve this unusual feat?
Well, this was the dream of my grandfather, our founder principal, late Shri V.V. Bhatt. He strongly believed that every child should be provided with quality education and money should not be a deterrent for it. He believed in quality education at an affordable price. In fact, in all humility, I would like to clarify that I stand here today in this hall just as the face of the school. The real foundation of this prolific institution was led by my grandfather, who is fondly known to all as Bhatt sir.
Oh! Such praise from a grandson for his grandfather is rare these days. I am impressed. Your grandfather seems to be quite an inspiring personality, a man with a great vision. We are all eager to know more about him. May I request you to be here for some more time and acquaint us with this sterling personality?
It would be my pleasure. Where do I begin?
Well, from the beginning.
Yes. My grandfather was born in a small town, Kadiyali, in the Udupi district of Karnataka. He was born in a family of educationists. His grandfather had started the Kadiyali Primary School, and this is where it all began.
प्रभाकर तड़िक गया हमेशा लेट। हाँ, आज आने दो उसको, सर को उसकी कंप्लेंट करती। अय्यो 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 अय्यो, ए प्रभाकर को देखो। प्रभाकर बालेनु याके तक बंदिदे? बालेनु याके तक बंदिदे? क्या पूछ रहे हो? मैं केले क्यों लाया? अय्यो, आज मेरा जन्मदिन है, इसलिए केले लाया हूँ। केले? हाँ, केले। तू खाएगा अकेले केले? नहीं, बांटूंगा। लो। बहुत मीठा। कीड़ी। चलो मस्ती करते। अयो, प्रभाकर के साथ मस्ती। बेड़ा। हूदो। आज मेरा हैप्पी बर्थडे, चलो ना मस्ती करते हैं। हाँ, करा? आज मेरा हैप्पी बर्थडे विश कर। हाँ करता है। अयो स्वामी, ये तुमको क्या हुआ? उठो, जिसने भी ये मस्ती किया है ना वो आगे आ जाओ। अयो प्रभाकर, तुमने किया मस्ती? अयो फंस गया। जाओ, जाकर स्वामी को अपोलोजाइज करो। करते स्वामी। अयो चुप, क्लास में जाओ। देखा, जैसी करनी वैसी भरनी। अगली बार मस्ती करेगा तो बट सर के पास लेके जाएगा। अयो बट सर, नहीं नहीं नहीं। अयो केला है रकेला, अब मैं खाएगा अकेला। अयो सर, मुझे केला दो ना। अयो केला खाएगा, केला खाएगा होगा। ओ अंदू, एरादू, मूरू, नाल्कू, ఐదు, ఆరు, సుసు. అయ్యో. On your mark, get set, go. Come on Rajan, get up. No sir, I can't.
Come on child, get up. You can surely complete the race. Remember our greatest glory is not in falling, but rising every time we fall. Come on, run, run.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Students, Aristotle said, educating the mind without educating the heart is no education at all. Remember, education is fruitful only when you do something for a society. So tell me, what will you do when you grow up?
Sir, I want to become a doctor so I can save lives. Sir, when I grow up, I want to become rich. Sir, I want to become a teacher.
Teacher? Who has inspired you to become a teacher?
My father and my grandfather.
This young boy with the dreams of becoming a teacher is my Ajja, my grandfather, Mr. Vasudev Bhatt. And as they say, future belongs to those who accept challenges in the present and believe in the beauty of their dreams. But do you know who made him have faith in his dreams? Like me, my grandfather was deeply influenced by his Ajja, my great-grandfather.
You have to grow from the inside out. No one can teach you. No one can make you spiritual. There is no other teacher but your own soul.
बिना प्रेम धीरज नहीं, बिरह बिना बैराग, बिना प्रेम धीरज नहीं, बिरह बिना बैराग, सद्गुरु बिना नाथ छुटी है, सद्गुरु बिना नाथ छुटी है, मन मन साखी दाग, बिना प्रेम धीरज नहीं।
By his father and grandfather, my Ajja followed their footsteps and tradition of the family. He completed his post-graduation and became a teacher in his own school.
Excuse me, I want to meet Mr. Vasudev Bhatt. Vasudev sir, he might be in the library. Always with his books, a passionate reader. But where is the library?
That way.
Thank you.
All the world's a stage, and all men and women are merely players.
Shakespeare.
Excuse me?
Are you Mr. Vasudev Bhatt?
Yes, Vasudev. How may I help you?
I heard that there's a vacancy for the post of craft teacher in your school.
Oh, yes. Come along. Appa, we needed a craft teacher, right? She has come for the same post.
Have you checked the details?
Yes.
Okay, fine. She can start working.
You can join from tomorrow.
Sure, sir.
There's nothing to worry about. By the way, what's your name?
Emma.
Emma. Okay, see you tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Suprabhatam.
Suprabhatam. Teacher, very nice bag. Oh, you like it? It has to be. I have made it.
Oh, you have made it?
Yes.
Teacher, we also want to learn embroidery like this.
I'll teach you the methods, but ideas and topics you have to give me.
But where are we going to get these ideas from?
From the nature. From this beautiful world. Develop ideas for making embroidery. Take ideas from the birds, the leaves, the plants, the animals. Take ideas from the nature all around. Sir,
I'm impressed. It was a lovely class.
thank you, sir.
Yes, you guessed it right. This is my Ajji, Miss Emima Bhatt. It was here in this Kadhiali school that Ajja and Ajji met. They shared common interests, common beliefs, common ideals. Love soon blossomed and they were tied together in a marital bliss.
You seem to be unusually quiet. What is bothering you?
How do you manage to read my mind?
Well, that's why I'm your better half. Now tell me.
You know, everything here in Kadhiali is all set. But my heart yearns for more. We need a bigger canvas to give wings to our dreams. Should we move to Bombay, the city of dreams?
Why do you even ask? I shall go with you wherever you take me.
मुट्ठी में कुछ सपने लेकर भर कर जेबों में आशाएं, दिल में है अरमान यही कुछ कर जाएं, कुछ कर जाएं। सूरज सा तेज नहीं मुझ में, दीपक सा जलता देखोगे। अपनी हद रोशन करने से तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे, तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे।
सपनों का सौदा करने आया था। सपनों की नगरी में सपनों का सौदागर सपनों का सौदा करने आया था। अपने साथ कुछ और नहीं, एक नई नवेली अर्धांगिनी लाया था।
सपनों की नगरी में, सपनों की नगरी में, सपनों की नगरी में, सपनों की नगरी में ख्वाब पूरे करने को, सपनों की नगरी में ख्वाब पूरे करने को, दोनों चले संग यहाँ कुछ कर गुजरने को, दोनों चले संग यहाँ कुछ कर गुजरने को। छत लाई अपने सर पे अपनी खुद
के। मैडम भट्ट ने भट्ट सर का साथ देने के लिए एक वॉच कंपनी में काम करना शुरू कर दिया। तो भट्ट सर शिक्षक से प्रिंसिपल और प्रिंसिपल से एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट के इंस्पेक्टर बन गए।
वाह 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 वाह। निसा सा 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 निसा सा 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 नी रे 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 निसा सा 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 निसा सा 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 निसा सा 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 नी रे 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 निसा सा 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 मा 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 रे निसा मा 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 रे निसा मा मा रे सा सा निसा रे सा निसा सा सा हो पूरे के सपने जो देखे दोनों ने मिलकर, पूरे के सपने जो देखे दोनों ने मिलकर, भर दिया खुशियों से हुई जिंदगी बेहतर, भर दिया खुशियों से हुई जिंदगी बेहतर, हुई जिंदगी बेहतर, हुई जिंदगी बेहतर, हुई जिंदगी बेहतर, हुई जिंदगी बेहतर। ओए, तेरा सीन खत्म हो गया, अब हमारा है, चल निकल।
हाँ बोलो।
सर एजुकेशन इंस्पेक्टर आ गए।
ओके, सेंड मी द फाइल्स।
यस सर।
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Please have a seat.
Sir, are your files ready?
Yes.
Very good. I'm impressed with your reports. Now, let us have a look at your classrooms.
Sure. Children, what is perimeter of square?
4 into side,
Perimeter of rectangle?
2 into L plus B.
अ से
अनार,
आ से
आम,
ई से
इमारत,
ई से
इमली,
ऊ से
उल्लू।
Very good. I'm impressed with the discipline and the functioning of your school.
Thank you. Sir, any feedbacks or points to improvement?
Yes, there is always a scope for improvement. I have written some feedbacks in your reports. Kindly follow them.
Sir, we would be honored if you join us for lunch.
No, I have to visit other schools as well. Thank you.
Sure, sir. अरे चुप! बड़े साहब आ रहे हैं। क्लास में जाओ। सर! नहीं। सर, बड़े साहब आ रहे हैं।
गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
सर आ रहे हैं वो।
आ रहे चलो चलो चलो।
सर आगे।
आगे। गुड मॉर्निंग सर। हैव अ सीट सर।
सर!
Sir, are your files ready?
यस यस सर।
Yes, sir.
Sir, what is this? Such poor results. Very bad.
Bad? No. My report is good. My classroom was good. My students in good. And now my pet is good.
Yes, sir. When you इधर, सर का पेट हमेशा गुड़गुड़।
What rubbish? Let me see your classrooms.
NATURE क्या होता है?
Nature.
FUTURE क्या होता है?
Nature.
Very good.
Very good.
Disgusting. Students, where is your teacher?
Sir, वो-
Sir, please.
टीचर, वो तो आज नहीं आई। वो एक दिन आती है और एक दिन नहीं आती। इस वजह से हमारी पढ़ाई का भी बहुत नुकसान होता है। सर, we want to learn.
Sir, this is ridiculous. There are no facilities in your school. The children are eager to learn, but there are no efficient teachers.
सर, इसमें हम क्या कर सकते हैं? आ
सर, आप अपने एरिया के बाकी स्कूल्स को देखिए, वो बहुत प्रगति कर रहे हैं। आप उनसे कुछ सीखते क्यों नहीं?
आप जिन विद्यालयों की बात कर रहे हैं वो पैसे वालों के विद्यालय हैं। उनके पास सब कुछ है तो रिजल्ट तो अच्छे आएंगे ना सर। हमारे पास ना फंड ना संसाधन, तो रिजल्ट तो सर।
अगर आप चाहे तो आप इन्हीं पैसों में अपने बच्चों को अच्छी शिक्षा प्राप्त करवा सकते हैं। और ऐसा जरूरी नहीं कि हर अच्छी चीज महंगी ही हो। क्वालिटी एजुकेशन नीड नॉट बी कॉस्टली। इट इज नॉट अबाउट रिसोर्सेज, इट इज ऑल अबाउट विल।
सर, we want quality education. सर, हमें अच्छी शिक्षा प्राप्त करनी है। सर, हमें अच्छी शिक्षा प्राप्त करनी है। सर, हमें अच्छी शिक्षा प्राप्त करनी है।
लोरी 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 लोरी
ಇವತ್ತವಳು ಆಲಿದಲ್ಲ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. How was your day?
Okay, not that bad. A thought is taking shape.
If you don't mind, you can share it with me.
The growing differences between the schools of southern Mumbai and suburbs is worrying me. लोग अच्छी शिक्षा के लिए अच्छे पैसों की मांग कर रहे हैं, जैसे शिक्षा कभी दान की विषय वस्तु ही नहीं थी.
Yes, I too agree with it. Quality education need not be costly. I know. It would be really painful for a person like you who comes from a family of educationists.
That's the agony. I wish to see a school where quality education is available for every child, where holistic development of the child is the main goal of teaching. But funds. How to raise funds? We have this house.
Wait for a while.
Daddy.
Rohila,
Here, sell this as well.
but this jewelry belongs to you.
It's not mine, it's ours. You can use this to fulfill your dreams.
Our dreams.
What happened next had epic dimensions. Ajay and Ajit sold off their possessions to lay the foundation of their dream school. Their first initiative was the procurement of 4 rooms in Ishwar Bhavan.
तर या गोष्टीतल्या कावळापासून आपण काय शिकलो?
जे आपल्याला आयुष्यात हवे असेल ते आपल्याला परिश्रमानेच मिळवावे लागते.
खूप छान.
Yes, hard work is a must. Students, I will tell you a word and you will say whatever comes to your mind. The first word is... Excuse me, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning. Students, now you will pick up a chit, you will announce the word and say whatever comes to your mind.
The word is dream.
Yes, I have a dream and I see it being fulfilled. Yet, there is a long way to go. The only way to go from here is up.
But where are we going to live?
Where are we going to live? This is our home.
Yay! Yippee! Rohan!
I don't understand. How is this our home?
Ishwar Bhavan will be school in the morning and home by night. The children will acquire knowledge in the morning, and in the evening, we'll find solace here.
Rohila, step aside. Step aside, Rohila.
Daddy! Rohan, chup! Daddy, what is this? Why are you cleaning these rooms? You are the principal of the school.
Beta, this is our home. Who will keep the home clean if not us?
I will.
Ajay cleaned the rooms, even washrooms himself. Was it easy? Definitely not. But this was just a step towards their dream.
Teachers, I believe along with inculcating knowledge in children, we must develop other skills too. Let us create an environment in which children get the basic knowledge and can pursue their hobbies as well. If they desire to sing and dance, we must encourage them. I am sure all of us want our children to excel in all walks of life.
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
Ideas were developed, applied, the missing pieces were added to the frame, and all of us know the result of that. A beautiful picture appeared when the first batch of SSC passed in 1975. Wait, let's capture the moment. This was just another step into the thousands that were waiting for him. Ajay knew that this little establishment would definitely turn into an institution. That is when the admission started pouring in. Ajay wanted more people by his side who shared his vision.
Welcome to the Children's Academy family. Yes, it's my immense pleasure to be here.
I guess you have recognized our superstar. A young man full of hopes and aspirations entered this esteemed institution. He joined this establishment and became an inseparable part of it. We all know him as our beloved Mukundan sir. He has been an unceasing support ever since.
Students, today we'll learn about clauses. Clauses are a group of words that contain subject and verb.
Like Mukundan sir, Ajja was blessed with a group of passionate teachers like Ahmed sir, Hegde sir, Mani teacher, who worked hard along with him to help the school grow.
साथी हाथ बढ़ाना साथी रे, साथी हाथ बढ़ाना साथी रे,
साथी हाथ बढ़ाना साथी रे, साथी हाथ बढ़ाना साथी रे,
साथी हाथ बढ़ाना, साथी हाथ बढ़ाना, एक अकेला थक जाएगा, मिलकर बोझ उठाना।
साथी हाथ बढ़ाना, साथी हाथ बढ़ाना, एक अकेला थक जाएगा, मिलकर बोझ उठाना। साथी हाथ बढ़ाना, साथी हाथ बढ़ाना साथी रे,
साथी हाथ बढ़ाना साथी रे,
साथी हाथ बढ़ाना साथी रे। हम मेहनत वालों ने जब भी मिलकर कदम बढ़ाया, सागर ने रास्ता छोड़ा पर्वत ने शीश झुकाया। औलादी है सीने अपने, औलादी है बाहें, औलादी है सीने अपने, औलादी है बाहें। हम चाहे तो पैदा कर दे चट्टानों में राहें, हम चाहे तो पैदा कर दे चट्टानों में राहें। साथी हाथ बढ़ाना, साथी हाथ बढ़ाना, एक अकेला थक जाएगा, मिलकर बोझ उठाना। साथी हाथ बढ़ाना, साथी हाथ बढ़ाना साथी रे,
साथी हाथ बढ़ाना साथी रे,
साथी हाथ बढ़ाना।
Expansion was at its peak and it was difficult to accommodate the influx of children wanting to study with us.
Good morning, sir.
Sir, there are many who wish to join your school.
In fact, many locals have come to me requesting the admissions in your school.
Mr. Barot and Mr. Gosalia, I would love to enroll more children. But the problem is, we cannot accommodate them.
We have only 4 rooms.
Sir, do not worry about it. You just give us a nod and we'll take care of the rest.
And take care they did. With such a powerful team of teachers and parents by his side, there was no looking back. Success overflowed, and that is when Sir purchased the land for our Malad school, the one that we rightly call our motherland. Motherland!
रंगी परोड़ आवी खुशियों संगे लावी, हर खाए हयो हाय हाय। रंगी परोड़ आवी खुशियों संगे लावी, हर खाए हयो हाय हाय। आशानी किरणों बिखराए उमंग भी छलकाए, मन हड़वे थी गुनगुनाए हाय हाय हाय।
हे शुभारंभ हो शुभारंभ, मंगल बेला आई, सपनों की डहरी पे दिल की बाजी रे शहनाई शहनाई शहनाई। ख्वाबों के बीज कच्ची जमीन पे हमको बोना है, आशा के मोती सांसों की माला हमें पिरोना है। अपना बोझ मिल के साथ ही हमको ढोना है, शहनाई शहनाई शहनाई।
रास रचिलो साज सजिलो शुभ घड़ी जय आवी आजा आजा टमटमाता शमणाओ जय लावी ओ लावी ओ लावी।
आप ये इमारत नहीं तोड़ सकते, ये विद्यालय है और जल्दी एकेडमिक ईयर शुरू होने वाला है।
ओ सर, आपके पास परमिशन नहीं है, आम्हाला कारवाई करावीच लागेल का रे?
मैं जानता हूँ आप मुझे झुकाना चाहते हैं, पर मैं झुकूंगा नहीं। आप अपनी कार्यवाही करो, मैं अपना कार्य करूंगा।
శక్తి శక్తి సూచిక యుక్తి యుక్తి పాచిక సహస్ర సూర్య సాగరాలు ఒక్కటైన కదలిక ఏకవీర శూర క్రూర మార నిరంకుశంగా దూకుతున్న దానవేశ్వర
होणारा होताला जाणारा जाताला मागे तू फिरू नको उगाच सांडून खऱ्याची संगत खोट्याची धरू नको येईल दिवस तुझाही मानसा जिगर सोडू नको तुझ्या हाती आहे गाव सारा निसर्ग जल काळजी रे देवा काळजी रे माझ्या देवा काळजी रे देवा काळजी रे माझ्या
मैं टूट गया, जग रूठ गया, ये स्वप्न महल कांचे घट सा क्यों फूट गया। पर हार मानूंगा नहीं, रात ठानूंगा नहीं, किसी ने सच ही कहा है पत्थर के हृदय वाले गम में वो रवानी है, खुद रास्ता ढूंढूंगा बहता हुआ पानी है।
कांधे पे सूरज टिका के चला तू हाथों में भर के जला बिजलियां कांधे पे सूरज टिका के चला तू हाथों में भर के चला बिजलियां तूफान भी सोचे जिद तेरी कैसी ऐसा जुनू है किसी में का बहता चला तू उड़ता चला तू जैसे उड़े बेधड़क आंधिया बहता चला तू उड़ता चला तू जैसे उड़े आंधिया मंजर है ये नया मंजर नया मंजर है ये नया कि उड़ रही है बेधड़क सी आंधियां मन बंदिरा उजड़ो नगे मन मंदिरा मन मंदिरा मन मंदिरा
The demolition of motherland was perhaps the last setback that Ajja faced in his life. Like a phoenix, he rose up to take the reins once again and took firm hold of the situation. And then there was no looking back. Children's Academy started to grow in leaps and bounds now. But Ajja was not satisfied. He wanted a 360-degree plan that focused on creating a platform to bring out the talents of the students. Guided tours, excursions, competitions, annual gatherings all became an important part of education. And who trained the students for various events? Not professionals but our very own talented teachers. Bagre sir and Natty teacher were seen teaching the students with 2 left feet to dance. Oh, what fun it was!
उगले उगले हीरे मोती, मेरे देश की धरती, मेरे देश की धरती।
यशोमती मैया से बोले नंद लाला, राधा क्यों गोरी मैं क्यों काला, राधा क्यों गोरी मैं क्यों काला। अपलम चपलम चपलाई रे दुनिया को छोड़ तेरी गली आई रे आई रे आई रे। अपलम चपलम चपलाई रे दुनिया को छोड़ तेरी गली आई रे आई रे आई रे। वो दुनिया को छोड़ तेरी गली आई रे आई रे आई रे। मेरा नाम चिंचिंचू चिंचिंचू बाबा चिंचिंचू, रात चांदनी में और तू हेलो मिस्टर हाउ डू यू डू। मेरा नाम चिंचिंचू चिंचिंचू बाबा चिंचिंचू, रात चांदनी में और तू हेलो मिस्टर हाउ डू यू डू। बाबा बाबा बाबा।
ख्यालों में ख्यालों में ख्यालों में। काले से डर गए क्या?
हम काले हैं तो क्या हुआ दिल वाले हैं, हम काले हैं तो क्या हुआ दिल वाले हैं। हम तेरे 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 चाहने वाले हैं, हम काले हैं तो क्या हुआ दिल वाले हैं। हम काले हैं तो क्या हुआ दिल वाले हैं। हम तेरे 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 चाहने वाले हैं, हम काले हैं तो क्या हुआ दिल वाले हैं। ये गोरे गाला तंदाना, ये रेशमी बाला तंदाना, ये 16 साला तंदाना है तेरे ख्याला तंदाना। हम तेरे 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 चाहने वाले हैं, हम काले हैं तो क्या हुआ दिल वाले हैं। हम काले हैं तो क्या हुआ दिल वाले हैं। हम तेरे 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 चाहने वाले हैं, हम काले हैं तो क्या हुआ दिल वाले हैं।
The school was spreading its wings. Ajja and Ajja gave it all their dedication, their spirit of service and their irrepressible zeal. But observing them silently, emulating their qualities and their actions were their two pillars of strength. Their elder children, my aunt Miss Rohila John and my father Mr. Rohan Bhatt. Shouldering equal responsibilities, Dada made his presence felt in every corner of the school.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. So students, a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now repeat. A plus b the whole square is equal to
A square plus B square plus 2AB.
Good. This is your homework for tomorrow. Class is over for today.
Today, we are going to learn about 4 types of teeth: incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Did you understand, children?
Yes, please. Parade. दाहिने से.
How was your class today?
It was good.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Legion practice is going on.
Continue. Boys band, do it properly.
Yes, sir.
वो दो नए प्यून्स का क्या हुआ?
सर वो दोनों आज से ज्वाइन हो गए हैं, वो दोनों 4th फ्लोर संभाल लेंगे।
तूने अच्छे से देख तो लिया है ना?
हाँ सर, मैंने देख लिया।
गणेश, तुमने वो 2 चेक बैंक में डाल दिए?
हाँ हाँ, वही करने जा रहा हूँ।
बहादुर, यहाँ आओ। मुझे बताओ, तुमने स्कूल के गेट बंद कर दिए ना?
साहब जी, आप टेंशन मत लो, पूरा सिक्योरिटी में अकेला संभालूंगा, क्योंकि मैं नेपाली। करू का दिन पारी, करू का रात पानी, मैं नेपाली।
सर। हाँ बोलो गणपत। सर ग्राउंड में जो स्टेज लगा है वो निकाल दूं ना? हाँ निकाल दो। ओके सर। हाँ निकालो रे। रुको, मैं तुम्हारी मदद करता हूँ। थैंक यू सर। यू आर वेलकम।
The post of principal did not come easily to Papa. He had to prove his worth to reach there. And the day arrived when he was rewarded for his tireless hard work. He was made the principal of Children's Academy, Malad.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Walking in a line.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Rohan, teachers are waiting for the meeting.
Yes.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How is the preparation for pivot going?
All good, sir.
Teachers, you must have noticed that technology is being embraced by all sectors.
Sir, but that would not affect the educational sector.
Don't underestimate technology. Though in its nascent stage, it would be an integral part of all sectors.
सर, मतलब हमारा जॉब तो खतरे में ना?
It cannot be. No technology can replace a teacher. Think of this. The growth of a seed, the occurrence of eclipse, which we asked the children to imagine, could be shown in every class with this advent of technology.
Seeing is believing, and children will also learn better.
Yes, sir. I think we all should explore the use of technology in our LP.
LP?
Sir, lesson plan.
Sir, but we require trained professionals for that.
Don't worry. I have approached Intel and requested them to conduct a training for you teachers. So gear up to incorporate technology in education.
But you might be thinking, what about Ajja then? Did he relax? Did he retire? No, Ajja had some other plans.
Tell me something honestly. Was the decision of making Rohan the principal that of a father or administrator?
Undoubtedly the one of an administrator. I have been seeing him put efforts for years now, and I can proudly say that our school is in good hands.
Yes, I too believe that. I am a proud mother today. We have achieved one major milestone. What's next?
Milestone? Yes, we have achieved a milestone. But this was not possible without your support.
We must not forget the contribution of Mr. Mukundan and the entire staff who have been with us throughout. But you still haven't answered my question. What's next?
Rohit, many parents from Kandivli are coming to Malad to seek admission. We should do something about it.
Yes, we should.
We will have another branch of Children's Academy in Kandivali. Next is Mission Ashoknagar.
Ashoknagar? But who will take the responsibilities?
Rohit, Principal, Children's Academy, Ashoknagar.
Will I be able to? क्या मैं कर पाऊंगा?
I have complete faith in Rohit. I have seen him getting trained under Rohila and Rohan.
Yes, certainly. We all are with you.
तू मेरा हुक्म का इक्का, तू ही मेरी क्रिकेट का छक्का। मैं अलादीन, तू मेरा जिन, मैं अधूरा तेरे बिन। तू मेरी बोली का सिक्का, तू ही दिलदार मेरा पक्का। तू अलादीन, मैं तेरा जिन, मैं अधूरा तेरे बिन। मैं किसी से कम नहीं, तूने सिखाया जीने का नुस्खा, यही तूने बताया। नाच मेरी जा होके मगन तू, छोड़ के सारे किंतु परंतु। नाच मेरी जा होके मगन तू, छोड़ के सारे किंतु परंतु। मार छलांगे झूले गगन तू, छोड़ के सारे किंतु
कर हर मैदान फतेह। घायल परिंदा है तू, दिखला दे जिंदा है तू, बाकी है तुझ में हौसला। तेरे जुनू के आगे अंबर पनाहे मांगे, कर डाले तू जो फैसला।
रूठी तकदीरें तो क्या, टूटी शमशीरें तो क्या, टूटी शमशीरों से ही हो। कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह रे बंदिया, हर मैदान फतेह।
कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह रे बंदिया, हर मैदान फतेह।
While the two schools were gaining the reputation of the next generation technology savvy schools, happiness and bliss was being added in the lives of Bhatt family. My father Mr. Rohan Bhatt and my uncle Mr. Rohit Bhatt found the ones whom their souls loved. My mom Miss Monica Bhatt and my aunt Miss Charlotte Bhatt became an integral part of the family.
सहरा बांध के मैं तो आया रे, डोली बारात भी साथ में मैं तो लाया रे। ये सहरा बांध के मैं तो आया रे, डोली बारात भी साथ में मैं तो लाया रे। अब तो ना होता है एक रोज इंतजार सोनी, आज नहीं तो कल है, तुझको तो बस मेरी होनी रे। तेनू लेके मैं जावांगा, दिल दे के मैं जावांगा, तेनू लेके मैं जावांगा, दिल दे के मैं जावांगा।
Meanwhile, Dad and Uncle, along with the support of Mom and Aunt, together steered the two branches to greater heights.
वो सिकंदर ही दोस्तों कहलाता है, हारी बाजी को जीतना जिसे आता है। निकलेंगे मैदान में जिस दिन हम झूम के, धरती डोलेगी ये कदम चूम के। निकलेंगे मैदान में जिस दिन हम झूम के, धरती डोलेगी ये कदम चूम के। वो सिकंदर ही दोस्तों कहलाता है।
सोचा कहाँ था ये जो हो गया, माना कहाँ था ये लो हो गया। चुटकी कोई काटो ना है हम तो होश में, कदमों को थामो ये है उड़ते जोश में। बादल पे पाँव है या झूठा गाँव है, अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है। बादल पे पाँव है या झूठा गाँव है, अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी
Hello?
That one phone call cast an air of gloom all over Children's Academy. The jubilation turned into mourning. Yes, we had lost our beloved Bhatt sir forever. Every soul who was touched by this benevolent mentor was there to pay their last tribute to him. Bhatt sir's life came a full circle when he took his last breath in the very haven, the very room where he began his dream. It ended where it all started.
यादें उनकी जब हमको आए, आँख भर आए, आँख भर आए, ख्वाब जो भी उन्होंने दिखाए पूरे हो जाए, पूरे हो जाए। राह जो हमको उन्होंने दिखाई, बातें वो सारी उन्होंने सिखाई, हर एक सफलता उन्होंने दिलाई, ख्वाब जो देखे वो पूरे कर पाएंगे, मिलकर साथ साथ आसमां पे छाएंगे। प्यारी वो बातें वो मीठी डांटें, प्यारी वो बातें वो मीठी डांटें, सुख दुख मिलकर हमने है बांटे, सुख दुख मिलकर हमने है बांटे।
Daddy, this book was given to me by Ajja.
Do you know, Ronit? When we were your age, Dad used to take us to Kaman. We used to play and enjoy all day long.
Yes, those were the days.
Children, we can't let Daddy's death affect our responsibilities. Rohan, you must start working from tomorrow.
Yes, we will start working on the Thakur Complex branch.
I will help too.
अज्जी की बातों ने असर दिखाया। उनकी बातों से प्रेरित होकर दुगने उत्साह के साथ डैड और अंकल जुड़ गए मिशन ठाकुर कॉम्प्लेक्स से। पर इस दौर में भी कई चुनौतियां सामने आई। एक समय तो ऐसा आया जब फंड की कमी के चलते डाडा स्कूल बिल्डिंग के निर्माण कार्य को रोकने की सोचने लगे। पर इस दौर में भी कई मदद करने वाले हाथ आगे बढ़े। बिल्डिंग का निर्माण पूर्ण हुआ और शिक्षादान का कार्य भी शुरू हुआ। Over the years, the students of Children's Academy were spreading their wings. Children's Academy has produced doctors, engineers, and exemplary teachers who are soaring high all across the globe. But they keep coming back to their roots, to their alma mater, with only one thought in their mind.
It is Children's Academy that has made us what we are today. Now it is time for me to do my bit for the Academy. भट्ट सर और रोहन सर ने मेरे जीवन को एक नया आकार दिया और अब चिल्ड्रंस एकेडमी को एक नया आकार देने के लिए मैं अपना योगदान दूंगा।
आज मैं जो कुछ भी हूँ वो चिल्ड्रंस एकेडमी की वजह से हूँ। चिल्ड्रंस एकेडमी का मुझ पर हक है।
This led to the beginning of a new chapter called Kaksa. Another milestone that the academy achieved was the starting of the ICSE section. Keeping in mind the growing demand of the parents, Dada and Uncle readily accepted the change and diversified into the ICSE curriculum. Everything seemed to be going well, but year 2013 gave us another jolt. My grandmother, Miss Emima Bhatt, left for a heavenly abode. आज ये मातृ रूपी ज्योति अखंड ज्योति में समा गई। अज्जी कुछ बोल नहीं रही। अज्जी शांत है, पर अज्जी का शांत चेहरा भी बहुत कुछ बोल रहा है। हमें आगे बढ़ने के लिए प्रेरित कर रहा है। जीवन में चुनौतियां बढ़ेंगी, ये भी सही, पर रुकेंगे तो हम अब भी नहीं। एंड स्टॉप वी डिड नॉट। What? You are wondering who these people are? Well, this is the team that keeps Dad and Uncle going. You still don't get it? Let me explain. With the diversified curriculum, Dad and Uncle realized that they need to have a more organized setup. Uniformity in the academic standards could not be compromised. That is when the corporate structure in the academy was created. With my dad, Mr. Rohan Bhatt as the chairperson, Uncle Mr. Rohit Bhatt as the CEO, and Mr. Mukundan as the chief coordinator of Children's Academy group of schools. An academic board was set up, which was headed by Ms. Sheila Malya, ably assisted by the principals and the headmistresses of the 3 branches, the research associates, and the head of department for each subject. The non-academic board looks into the administrative department. But where did it all begin?
I've been thinking about this a lot. How I could do with what I have thought. Too many ideas cloud my mind. I need to paint them as a design. Come my team, let me show you the way how to mold success out of this clay. We must not shy away from technology, the first important step to pedagogy.
Then we must train teachers and staff. Make sure they only get better at their craft.
Education through different strategies, different ideas and ideologies.
Flipped classrooms, escape room sessions should be included in our lessons.
Focus on the multiple intelligence, visual, spatial, linguistic.
Let's not forget the 7 C's. Make them creative and artistic.
Our children must then learn to become global citizens.
Peace and environment should be their concerns. Almighty, help us grow stronger. Our new ideas will surely help us conquer.
बदलते हुए समय में शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में लगातार नए बदलाव की जरूरत है। इसलिए नए मॉडल, नए लेसन प्लान, खेल खेल में पढ़ाई, मनोरंजन के साथ विज्ञान, कंप्यूटर की सहायता से लगातार मैथ, साइंस व लैंग्वेज को आसान करना है। ये सभी काम जारी है। प्रगति लगातार जारी है।
किस्मत में बांटे हैं राहों में कांटे हैं किस्मत में बांटे हैं राहों में कांटे हैं रेगिस्तानों में आग है जितनी है लहू खोलता मेरा इन रगों में फिर भी खाकसारों को खाक ही काफी रस मुझको है खामोशी मेरी
बेज़ुबां कब से मैं रहा बेगुना सहता मैं रहा बेज़ुबां कब से मैं रहा बेगुना सहता मैं रहा
जिंदा है तो प्याला पूरा भर ले कंचा टूटे चूरा कांच कर ले जिंदगी का ये घड़ा ले एक सांस में चढ़ा ले हिचकियों में क्या है मरना पूरा मर ले कोयला काला है चट्टानों में पाना है अंदर काला बाहर काला पर सच्चा है सारा जिंदा है तो प्याला पूरा भर ले कंचा टूटे चूरा कांच कर ले कोयला काला है चट्टानों में पारा है अंदर काला बाहर काला पर सच्चा है सारा जिंदा तलवारों पे सरवार दिए अंगारों में जिस्म जलाया है तब जाके कहीं हमने सर पे ये केसरी रंग सजाया है
हम इस देश के वासी हैं जहां रोज ही दंगा रहता है, जहां रोज रोज अखबारों में स्कैमों का पंगा रहता है, जहां आम आदमी सड़कों पे आधा सा नंगा रहता है। इस हाल में भी, इस दौर में भी हर दिल में तिरंगा रहता है।
अपनी मर्जी के हम खुदा आती है जीत की अदा प्यारों से अपना वास्ता
What a spectacular journey it has been. I must say, Children's Academy truly deserves to be here today at the House of Commons receiving this honor.
Thank you.
You are truly blessed to be born to such influential parents and grandparents. But where do you see Children's Academy in the next 50 years?
50 years down the line, I see Children's Academy conquering more pinnacles of success. The unflinching love and support of our ever enthusiastic parents, thousands of students, past as well as present, and our more than 700 staff members would take Children's Academy to the peak of accomplishment and prosperity.
Let's sing and celebrate the light, the rise of our golden sun. Look how radiant with pride shines Children's Academy. Sing and celebrate the light, the rise of our golden sun. Look at the dynamic legacy inherited from the golden era. Our students with novelty and zeal will surely make a mark of our roots. And then with a soaring pride, we'll rise another golden sun. And then with a soaring pride, we'll rise another golden sun.